What is up, humans? This week's been kind of wild, but right now we got Gino Iannucci on the 9 Club in the background. We're about to talk about a shoe by Asics, releasing August 29th for $105. It is called... Here you go, check this thing out. It's got Gino pushing on the box. Gino pushing on the box, that's pretty sick. Asics Leggerezza FB, Leggerezza. I don't know how to say it, guys. If you could send a pronunciation in the comments below, just let me know. What does this mean? Leggerezza, navy and white. These are $105. They fit very true to size. It's probably the nicest looking, coolest Asics skateboarding shoe to come out yet. Dudes, I'm just going to go ahead and read this right out to you. This is 2 years into a grassroots campaign built upon core skate shops and street level support. Asics Skateboarding's first ever press release is proud to introduce the Leggerezza FB, a brand new model styled by longtime pro skater and cultural icon Gino Iannucci. The shoe draws from Asics' deep archives to slot into a diverse skate line that proudly foregrounds the Japanese brand's aesthetic lineage. The stitched toe box finds inspiration from a vintage Asics soccer cleat, the Injector Arezzo from 1989, while the semi-translucent sole updates the brand's long history of court shoes. Gino's first reaction to the Leggerezza FB said it all. Yes, that is a perfect looking shoe. Actually, when I opened the box of these, I immediately called my rep and said, can I order more? So I wasn't sure how many to get, but as soon as I opened the box and was able to see these in hand, I ordered more. So that should probably tell you something. They look absolutely stunning in hand. It's a great looking shoe. In my opinion, it's the best looking Asics so far. I know this is taking forever. We're gonna dive into it in just a second. All right, guys, I'm not gonna read all this. There's a bunch of stuff, press release stuff right here. I'm sure you'll see all that on social media. Let's go ahead and dive into this thing. This is the navy. This is it. This is the navy and white Leggerezza by Asics Skateboarding. You also get these kind of white laces if you would like to lace swap these shoes. This stitched toe pattern looks very familiar to your indoor soccer style shoes. Very Gino. This is the inspiration from the 1989 soccer cleat, the Injector Arezzo. 1989. There you go. I was in high school in 1989, believe it or not. Also, just look at how nice. Can you tell how nice this leather is? The leather is super nice, super supple, feels super soft. And this translucent outsole just looks awesome. I know I talk about this in a lot of videos, the translucent outsoles. Asics is probably one of our grippiest shoes on the market right now. The outsole is one of the grippiest ones that I've skated. But then this translucent, I bet, is even grippier because translucent outsoles just seem to grip super well to me. So the outsole is inspired by the Skyhand, another Asics classic that you guys have seen. But it is very much like, if you like the Jelvica, you're going to like this outsole as well. It's very thin, very indoor soccer style inspired. I think you guys are going to dig it. The insole does not come out, but it has perforations to kind of help with balance and support and all that sort of stuff. You will see that when you get the shoes, and you will feel it when you put them on. There you go, the navy and white Leggerezza FB by Gino Iannucci. These things look absolutely amazing. One thing that I really like about this shoe, as far as like soccer style shoes go, is this puffier tongue. This, you maybe can't tell, it looks super thin, where you can see the exposed foam right there, but you can't see it from the front. But it is actually a pretty thick tongue for a soccer shoe, so I kind of dig that a lot. It gives a little bit different vibe than, like, say your Booznits or your Louis by Converse. But definitely a similar shoe, so if you like either one of those shoes, Booznits or a Louis, this definitely speaks to that. $105, pretty damn true to size. Let's go ahead and look at the white one. All right, guys, this is it. This is your white and gold Leggerezza FB for Gino Iannucci by Asics. There you go, white and pure gold. I don't know if I said this already. These release August 29th on BlueTileSC.com at midnight. So pay attention. It's the day before at midnight, kinda, you know? Let's go ahead and show you your extra black laces that come with this one. And here is your white and pure gold. You can also see this kind of almost jersey styled pattern on the side of the shoe, on the lateral sides, inside and out. And this, again, this clear outsole just looks super awesome. So if you guys are into this indoor soccer style skate shoe, this is definitely a Gino style classic silhouette made for skateboarding. So looks pretty sick. Extra black laces with this one. Asics skateboarding branding on that soccer style tongue. Again, with that extra padding on the tongue, it's kind of hard to tell in this video, but when you get these in hand, you'll be able to tell that it is a lot more padding than what you normally feel in a soccer style shoe. So this thing's super light, super form fitted. This thing's built on a slimmer last so that you get more control and more of a form fitted shoe. So it's not going to be as wide as, say, your Japan Pro or your NBD, but it definitely fits a little nicer than the Gel Vica. That one is super tight on the front of my foot, and this one is not. It just hugs your foot really nicely. So $105, August 29th, BlueTileSC.com. These things look amazing. Hope you guys are into this. I'm sure there'll be, hopefully there's going to be a Gino part kicking these things off, but I know you'll see a bunch of cool marketing coming up promoting this shoe by Asics. So I don't know. What do you guys think of the Leggerezza FB by Asics? Again, I'll say it. I said it at the beginning. This is probably my favorite Asics shoe aesthetically so far. It just has so many details, and the materials. Look at that. I'll say it again. That leather feels so nice. Materials feel great. The shoe looks awesome. And that is it. We're going to wrap this up. August 29th, midnight, 105, fits true to size. Repeat myself, repeat myself, repeat myself. I think that's it, guys. These are a first look. These just came in. We actually just got the rest of the inventory today, so we will have our full release on August 29th. And yeah, pretty hyped on these. Little Asics branding right there on that clear outsole. Looks dope. All right, guys, that's it. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks for checking out this first look video. And we'll see you in the next first look video. Probably next week, because it's Friday, and I'm definitely sleeping this weekend. Peace! Oh, wait. All the best. Love Blue Tile. And, yeah, look, Raj is on this video. That's pretty crazy. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.